Okay, the next thing we need to talk about is creating products and product buttons to add them to your website, which isn't actually that difficult. Obviously, the first thing we need to do is create a product. So we just go to products, new product, and we can give it any name we want. Test product, for example, and short description. I normally as well put something under here to indicate whether the product is a monthly or annual subscription for a service, and put the price in there. You'll notice there's no currency indicator. That's because that's all set up by the administrator. However, you can change the currency by customer as well. So we're just going to save that. Go into clients, and you'll see we've got John Smith there as a client. And if I edit that client, you'll see down here I can change his currency. So even though the shop's or the billing system's default currency is pounds, I can set that customer's currency to whatever I want. And you'll see there that we have that product that we just added. And once you've created the products, the next thing that you're likely to want to do is create an invoice. Now you can either click on Invoices and select New Invoice, or straight from the dashboard, just click the plus button next to Invoice and select the client, or you can create a new client if you want. And for the products or services, just click in the box and it presents a drop down box, so you can type in the first few letters of that product. And if I set that now and send invoice or email the invoice to the customer, once the invoice has been emailed to the customer, you'll see here a little option comes up that says viewing portal. That is a direct link to the invoice. So to send this via WhatsApp, for example, I just right click on that and select copy link location, and I'll just paste it down here so you can see it, and you'll see there that it shows the link to the invoice that you can send to anyone. And when they actually view the invoice, this is what they see, and they can click pay now, and it takes them to the payment gateway. That's it.